Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share hashtag Deck the Year 2025 hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. I'll have her link down below and the hashtag in my title, so you can go check out everybody who are participating in this open collaboration. You just come on and alter a playing card, a time card from Dollar Tree or any vintage time card, and index cards in any size. I think they go up to, I don't know, is it 8.5 by 5, 6 or something like that? I don't know. I don't have those sizes, but I do have the 3.5 or 3 by 5 and the 4 by 6 cards, index cards. So I am altering the playing card. I haven't done one in a while. I wanted to do one today in the theme of Christmas. And all I did was I added this tag that I got from Dollar Tree. This is, I think, last year's tags. And I've kept it over the years. So I have a new set. I don't even know if I have it out. I thought I had it here, but I think I might have already put it away. But I have a new set, but this is from last year. So I had it here on the side of me, and I pulled it out, and I covered my playing card. I kind of tore the edges so you could see the card in the background. Although when I tore this one, I kind of took out holidays. So a Y and a yes is gone. I inked the edges, which I really didn't need to, because I added this trim that I got from Walmart this year. And I think I saw somebody use this, and I was like, oh, this is almost like the eyelash trim that we used to get from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. They don't carry these anymore. This is just a snippet of what I have left. I don't even know if I have any more of the silver one. I have to look, but so I just have a little snippet here. So this one is called, it's mini ribbon, and it's really petite, which is mini, for probably mini trees at Walmart. And you get 12 feet of this. I don't know if I got this on sale, but I thought this was really pretty. So I added it to my card just around the edges, so it just adds a little sparkle. It has some foiling, as you can tell there. I even scuffed it up, and I just love little red trucks. I always buy the no, I don't even know the brand. Oh my gosh, I can't remember the calendar, but they always feature a red truck on their calendar, and I have to pick me up one at Hobby Lobby. Hopefully tomorrow. I think I might be going. No. I don't know. Hopefully I've gotten it already. I don't know. But anyway, so very simple card, not too much. I didn't have to bling it up or add any layers. It just fits perfect. These tags fit perfectly on my cards, and they're a shy of 2.5 by 3.5. I don't know. What is it? What is it called? It's probably 2 3/8 by 3 3/8. So, that's how big these cards are. And these cards are from the Dollar Tree. I finally found my packs of cards. So that is my altered card for today, for December 11th. My last video, I said December 12th. I was totally wrong. So Thursday, December 11th, week 50. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.